Moon Knight, episode 2. What the fuck is happening in the show? This is a really good show. I love the performances and the acting, but I could see this being a lot more frustrating for a lot of Marvel fans in the sense that Marvel shows are very much movies are made to hand you shit and walk you through shit and explain everything to you in the most simple way possible. Like, yeah, it's very comic booky, but it's also not as complex as some fans like to make it out to be, right? And so these these movies and shows, even though they're all right, are kind of like baby food entertainment where they're kind of coddling you a little bit while holding your hand, going, "Look, this is what it is," like the fact that kids the age of 10 can explain what's happening in these damn movies to like their adult parents, and then they all go watch these movies together, just tells you that they're not that complicated. This show, on the other hand, is different because we're on episode 2. I have no idea what's happening. I'm very confused still, but yet I'm really engaged still because it slowly answers questions, and the questions it does answer leave more questions, but it also is a very well shot show. Like the cinematography in the show is really cool. Like this is the one of the first Marvel shows where I like the way it's shot in a lot of scenes, and the way that certain moments look, and this visual effects actually look pretty good. Like, not to say there's zero of that in other Marvel movies and shows, but this one looks really good. The performances are actually top notch. Like Oscar Isaac is giving a career worthy performance here in this show. He's so good in this show. A lot of the other cast members too. And so I'm just excited to see where this show goes because yeah, I like it's not answering everything, but at the same time, it is frustrating to me on a viewer perspective because I'm watching this show going, you just answered a question, but you didn't really, and it's really confusing. But I also like that. I don't like being spoon fed things all the time like a baby. This is a fun show, and I'm excited to see where it goes. It's weird. It's different. It's a globe trotting adventure. It's cool.